At Pacific Healthcare, our purpose is simple: to care. To care for the people who rely on healthcare every day. To care for the trust placed in every product we bring to market. Because behind every product is life. Behind every decision is a responsibility to care. That purpose guides everything we do, from how we work to who we partner with. At Pacific Healthcare, our mission is to work across Southeast Asia and other growing markets in the healthcare ecosystem. As a leading expansion partner in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer healthcare, we serve patients who depend on safe, reliable access to healthcare. We support healthcare professionals who trust the quality of every product they recommend. And we partner with pharmaceutical and healthcare companies, bringing their innovations to all our markets. Because caring for healthcare at this scale requires more than intention. It requires the ability to deliver consistently, responsibly, and end-to-end. That's why we support the entire end-to-end healthcare journey, from guiding products through registrations, regulatory and market access pathways, to building trusted brands through sales, marketing, and omni-channel engagement. With reliable distribution, e-commerce capabilities, and strong supply chain systems, we ensure safe, timely access to healthcare products across the country. And through rigorous pharmacovigilance and compliance practices, we uphold the highest standard of patient safety and responsibility, all delivered through a partnership model built for long-term growth. Our capabilities are built on experience. In 1961, Pacific Healthcare has grown from a strong foundation in Thailand to a trusted partner across neighboring and international markets through the acquisition of Eurodrug, expanding our reach into global healthcare systems. Today, our portfolio spans diverse therapeutic areas, high-demand medical devices, and consumer healthcare, reflecting both the needs of patients and the confidence of our partners. But experience alone is not enough. To continue delivering care, we must keep evolving. We are building the next phase of our growth, strengthening our capabilities, investing in our people, and embracing the technologies shaping the future of healthcare. We are creating a platform designed for sustainable, long-term partnership, so our partners can grow with confidence today and in the years ahead. And behind that future is what has always mattered most: people driven by purpose. At Pacific Healthcare, our people believe that healthcare carries responsibility to patients, partners, and society. We lead by example. We value open communication and transparency, and we believe that when people enjoy what they do better. Guided by a shared purpose, we are on a journey of sustainability to improve and care for people's lives. And when partners share that belief, we grow stronger together. Pacific Healthcare. Because we care.